Hi everyone, this is Stuart from Solid Signal. I'm working from home just like all of you, and I have an unboxing video of the new gotW3 router. This is the more advanced version that gives you more features and has a little bit higher gain antenna. Let's take a look and see what we've got inside the box. The ReadyNet device, which is what we call this more complex unit, is in a plain white box. And there isn't a whole lot inside. I did actually open this up once to clean it up, so it's actually going to unbox a little differently. You get a power adapter, again, of just more or less plain power brick. Ethernet cable, nothing super special about that. This is the actual router. I'm going to put this aside for a minute. You get a telephone cord because this actually has VoIP features, voice over IP, and these are the paddle antennas. Now, taking a closer look, it's covered in nice sanitary plastic, something that we're all appreciating right now, of course. And if you take a nice look at it, it really looks more like a network switch than anything else. You've got your two antenna ports, 4 Ethernet ports in the back. On the bottom is a sticker that gives you all the information that you need to know. And on the front you have actually lights that show you everything. This is the SIM card slot. You couldn't really see it very well in this light. I do apologize for that. You can see this comes with 2 paddle antennas. The paddle antennas actually do better performance-wise than just kind of the straight antennas. They screw on, they've got SMA connectors which are very easy to tighten up. And once you've got both of them on, then just kind of point them straight up a little bit. They're going to give you the best performance by pointing straight up or at a very slight angle, kind of like a rabbit ear antenna from the olden days. Here's a look at what the unit looks like all put together. This thing practically installs itself. Plug it in and it works. Once you get it up and running, take a look at the bottom of it and you'll see this sticker that gives you all the information you'll need to actually use it. The SSID number, that's the network that you connect to. The passphrase is the password that you put in, and the other things, the IP address, user ID, and password, those are used to get into the router to do things like change the Wi-Fi passphrase or configure it in special ways. When you connect to Wi-Fi, again, I'll say this, use the passphrase, the one at the bottom. So in this case, to connect to the Wi-Fi, you would use the password L52003-101. That's what you would use. This is a really advanced device. I'm not going to go into the details of it. It's a little bit more than I planned on doing with this basic unboxing video. But you can do an awful lot with this device, and it's going to support multiple users in the same home, multiple devices over a larger area. And it's also going to give you super configurability so that you can put special kinds of stuff in there, voice over IP, SFTP, QoS. If these mean something to you, if these terms are things you're familiar with, you're probably going to want this device. And if these terms aren't something that you understand, it's probably better to get the other one. They're both available now at Solid Signal.